I'm Hervé with Sunvoy, and today I'm going to show you the eGauge integration in Sunvoy. So let's start and jump right in. So here is a fleet of Epson Solar, and it's a combination of all the different inverters that we created. So you can select here, you can filter and like show me all my eGauge systems. I'm going to take one right here. And then you go into the details of that project. You see it's an eGauge system. And if once you click on performance, you see the estimated power production and the actuals. It's kind of a recent system that we installed. Here is the design. So very simple, stable, that got solar. And you see the data, not just the graph version, but the data comes out either too. And then on the bottom here, you can put your estimated power production. So you can add systems by going to settings, you click on eGauge systems, and here you can just add systems quite easily, and then they populate into your dashboard, etc, etc. So let me show you this is a dashboard for all the fleet, but here you also see all different inverters. So we have at Epson Solar, we have Enphase, SolEdge, eGauge, and SMA. We only have 5 eGauge, but we don't do a lot of commercial. We usually add eGauge when we need to do revenue grade metering, and so we add that on top of like a SolEdge or a Shint inverter to have revenue grade meter that a customer requires. So it all ties into everything else about the fleet, and that's the beauty. So that's why we love eGauge. It integrates with Sunvoy, and we use it every day. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.